Hi everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to easily integrate one of our free trial products, the Celebrations Spotlight web part, into a SharePoint site. First, we need to acquire the web part. On your SharePoint page, go to New and select App. Then, navigate to the SharePoint store and click on Find More Apps. In the search bar, type Torpedo and look for the Celebrations Spotlight web part. Once you find it, click on it to view the details. And then simply click Add to App Site to begin the installation process. After a few seconds, an information pop-up will appear, reminding you that API access approval is necessary for the web part to function correctly. Ensure Enable in all sites is selected, then click Add. Wait a few more seconds for the next information pop-up. In here, it informs us that for the web part to function correctly, it needs permissions to use the Microsoft Graph API to access user profiles stored in Entra ID. This requires SharePoint administrator permissions. Before proceeding, just make sure you're using a tenant administrator account. Now that's confirmed, it's time to proceed and accept the permission requests. Go to the SharePoint Admin Center. In the Admin Center, navigate to the left-hand panel and select SharePoint. Now you just need to go to Advanced, to then click API Access. Approve all pending requests from Celebrations Spotlight package to ensure the web part functions properly. Make sure you leave no pending requests behind. And now, you are ready to use the web part in your SharePoint site. Go to the SharePoint page where you want to add the web part. In Edit mode, click in the section where you want to add it. A pop-up will appear with all the web parts available for use in SharePoint Online. To add the Celebrations Spotlight web part, you can scroll through the list of options or filter the results by searching. Click on the web part to add it to the page. At first, you will see a warning indicating that you need to configure its data source. You can either choose Entra ID or a SharePoint list. For this tutorial, let's create a list. Click Create a List, and it will automatically create a list with the appropriate structure and dummy data. Once the list is created, go to Site Contents, and you should see a list named Celebrations. Go to the list and add the necessary data. Now return to the Edit panel of the web part, specify the site and the list we just created. Map all fields as shown. Once done, click Apply, and you should see the data appear on the web part. Now we can customize the web part to our liking. Choose different layouts such as small, medium, or large. You can also add a background image to the active celebrations to make it more appealing. Select various celebration types and timelines that you find appropriate. You can also change the title and subtitle to your liking, as well as hide the header icon. Click Republish or Publish Site and all the organization's celebrations will be displayed according to the configured settings. Now we have a modern, appealing, and responsive web part that reminds us to celebrate those close to us. Be sure to check out our other amazing products, and thank you for watching.